Hello, let's get these carrots into something absolutely delicious. So I've got 3 cups of carrots here, 1 cup of onion, 2 cups of coconut milk. Then I've got 1 teaspoon each chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. Some fresh chili to taste, up to you. 1 tablespoon garlic ginger and 2 teaspoons of cumin. Okay, some coconut oil I'm using. Use something different if you want in the mix. Let's get those cumin seeds in. Let them do their thing for a few seconds. The 1 cup of onion. You can see I've cut everything really small. I'm also now going to add in our 3 cups of carrots. In they go. About 4 minutes on and above medium heat. Stir often. Okay, they are starting to look fabulous, aren't they? The ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of, in it goes, with the fresh chili. Now the powders, teaspoon each. Better get some salt in the mix before I forget. We're going to give this a quick mix. We're staying on this above medium heat. Mix that around to get the masala powders just happening, and then very simply what we're going to do is add 2 cups of coconut milk. We're going to lower the heat, not to a simmer but above a simmer, and let it go now until your carrots are tender. For me, that's about another 4 to 5 minutes. Bit of cilantro in there, absolutely delicious. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.